Hello! In this tutorial, we're going to solve a worked example for resistors connected in series. Let's check. If a 4.5 volt battery is connected to a 1 ohm resistor and a 5 ohm resistor in series with each other, let's calculate the total resistance of the two resistors. What's your answer? Yes, using the equation for summation of the total resistance, R total is equal to R1 plus R2, so the total resistance is equal to the resistance of the first resistor given as 1 ohm added to the resistance of the second resistor given as 5 ohm. So the answer is 6 ohm. Moving to the second question, calculate the current through the resistors. What's your answer? Recall that, using Ohm's law, the voltage is equal to the resistance multiplied by the current. Therefore, the current is equal to the voltage divided by the total resistance. Here it's a series connection, then the current is equal in each component of the circuit. Therefore, we use the total resistance and we use the potential difference across the battery. So by rearranging Ohm's law, the current is equal to the potential difference divided by the resistance. And here we're going to use the battery potential difference as if it's the total potential difference divided by the total resistance. So from the question, the battery potential difference is 4.5 volt divided by the total resistance, which is 6 ohms calculated in the previous question. This gives an answer of 0.75 amperes. That's all. Thanks for watching.